Let's get to a news break coming in now. Aviation regulator DGCA has issued a show cause notice to Indigo for alleged lapses in simulating training for nearly 1,700 pilots. Now, we're hearing from our sources that this show cause notice was issued after scrutiny of records and replies that were received from the airline. Indigo has also confirmed that they received now this show cause notice from the DGCA, particularly worrying because what the DGCA has flagged here is that simulators on which nearly 1,700 pilots did their training were not qualified for operations at certain airports. And so questions will arise on whether these pilots who are not trained for all possible terrains, all possible conditions via these simulator trainings, whether they were still made to fly through some of these routes. And that's why the DGCA has also flagged it up. Amit Bharadwaj is joining us live with more details on this. Amit, get us a sense of really how Indigo has chosen to respond to the show cause notice.
Akshata, number one, the DGCA notice that was served to the Indigo, show cause notice rather, was about the unqualified stimulators being used for pilot training. And with this, it is also clear that Indigo is in receipt of this particular show cause notice, and they were given 14 days, they have been rather given 14 days to respond to the show cause notice. Indigo has confirmed to India today that they have received the show cause notice that has been issued by the DGCA. They also confirmed to us that it is in regards to the stimulator used in the pilot training, and along with that they are saying that they will respond to the DGCA or the authority within the stipulated time. And they continue to claim that they have been maintaining all sorts of standards which is required. So what is going to be the response, that is to be seen. But Indigo making it clear that they will be filing their response within the stipulated time.
Okay.
Clearly 2 weeks have been given to the operator, to the airline company Indigo, to respond to this particular show cause notice which has been issued
so
by the DGCA.
14 days time essentially given to Indigo right now. Thanks very much, Amit. We've run out of time. My apologies for that, but we've run out of time. We will continue getting you details of what Indigo's response is to that show cause notice.